big. I can't get you out of there. I can't do it. I can't do it. I just can't do it. Wait. I got to wait. Hey, come over here. I need help. I'm sorry. You know, I don't really relate to water that well. Here. Wait. Hold on 1 minute. Chiboola, what? Why did you put me on this deserted island?
Well, I thought you would like that, actually.
No, I don't. I told the shark that I don't do really well with water. And why am I on here? I don't feel good.
You don't feel good? Well, what kind of feeling is it?
What do you mean, what kind of feeling? It's only two kinds. One is a good feeling, one's a bad. There's nothing else to it. Okay.
Oh, is that it?
Yes.
Well, why do you think it is that you don't feel good?
It's simple. I have to go over this time and time again. Because I'm a kid and kids like to do things, and when you're doing something you don't want to do, you do not feel good. Do I have to say that again?
Please do.
When you do something you don't want to do, you don't feel good.
You know what?
No, I don't know anything. I just get me off this deserted island, and then we'll talk about it.
You promise?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Oh, hi, guys.
Oh, hi, but we're busy. Well,
what are you doing? What are we doing? You can't tell? Well, it looks like you're fighting him. Kind of.
Fighting?
Dude, kids, we don't fight. We know there's no point in fighting. We're playing. We pretend.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're pretending. We're play fighting again. Yeah, see? That's how we get stronger. See, the more we play, the more we... Hey, get over here. The more we play, the more we pretend. That's how we learn things. That's how kids do it. That's how we learn everything. Yes. So, no, none of that fighting stuff. Yeah, we can't do that. Well,
I wanted to talk to you because last time I talked to you, you didn't feel good. You didn't feel good?
Oh, yeah. You mean when you put me on that deserted island? Well, how am I going to feel good over there on desert? I told you I didn't do well with water. Didn't I tell you that? You know that already, right?
I love what?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, but,
So how did you get rid of that not feeling good?
I went over this. When you don't feel good, it makes no difference what you call it.
Yeah, that's right. It could be like mad.
Yeah, sad.
Bad.
Yeah. See, that's it right there.
Mad.
Sad.
Bad.
It's all the same thing. You just don't feel good. But we know how to do that already, right? Because we know, right? We can put all... It's all fear. It's all the same thing. As a matter of fact...
That's how you know when fear comes around. Because you feel mad.
Sad.
Bad.
Then, you fear somewhere, but it doesn't make any difference. You just go into... what are you going to do?
Oh, yeah. I am me. I am me. I'm me. I'm me. I'm me.
I'm me.
I'm me. And then you go, I am lit.
I'm left. I'm lit. I'm lit.
I'm lit.
I'm left.
And then you feel so good that you're ready to do something else, to do something different. Like, what do you want to do?
What do you want to do? Oh, I know. Let's use our magic minds.
Oh, yeah. We can use our magic mind to come up with something.
Yeah, that's how we figure out what we're going to play. With our
magic
man. Okay, here we go. Ready? Okay. I'm going in mine.
I'm already in mine.
Okay, I got something.
Really? That was quick.
Yeah, sometimes quick.
Sometimes slow. Dude.
Yeah, well, okay. Like, say you had a problem you want to solve.
Problem? May I tell you a story that I learned in the Stewie Canoe School of Happy Kung Fu?
Oh, yeah, please do.
Well, you see, I was teaching my little turtle friends. They're now all masters, you know.
Masters?
Dude, haven't you heard of Ninja Turtles?
Man, Ninja Turtles? You taught them?
Yes, that's right. Dude. And so, you see, I was training Ninja Turtles, and then the electricity went out.
Electricity?
Yes, the electricity.
Man, how you gonna get some electricity underwater?
Special lines, brother. Special lines, dude.
Okay. So, electricity went out?
Yes. And all of a sudden, the whole place, there's no light. All those little turtles running around. I couldn't find anybody. So I ran outside, and so to speak, and I saw this truck. And on the side of the truck, it said, electrician. So I wobbled over to the electrician.
This sounds like a long story.
Yeah, over to the electrician. And I said, electrician, I have a problem.
Yeah, well, what'd he say?
He looked at me and said, dude, there are no problem, only opportunity.
Opportunity? What's that?
Opportunity is when you can use your magic mind to create something.
Oh, man, I'm liking this. This stuff's getting better by the minute. Okay, let's go for it. So, what are we going to solve? What kind of opportunity?
Well, we have to find what people call a problem.
Okay, so we have to find some kind of problem. Somebody thinks they have a problem, then we really know it's opportunity. And then they feel bad, but we don't feel bad because we already cleared out our fear. So we do not feel
mad,
sad,
or bad.
And we're ready to create. Okay, so we have to find some problems, right?
Yeah, but I don't know any. Right?
I don't know it. Well, what? Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. Why don't we do that next time? We're going to come back here. We're going to find some problems. We're going to search all over the place.
Yeah. Like, maybe online.
That's a good one. Online.
We're going to see what we can find. Some kind of problem.
And then we're going to turn it into opportunity and work together to solve it.
Dude.
That sounds so good.
That's great.
Okay, kids. We'll see you next time. And we're going to solve some opportunities.
Oh, hi, guys.
Oh, hi, man. Oh, we're busy. Oh,